Thank you for taking the time today to hear more about the Jisc Managed Splunk Enterprise License. Our Splunk offering provides preferential full Splunk Enterprise Edition license pricing for our members, and packages are available which also incorporate education credits to train a systems administrator and professional services for deployment and ongoing support. The Jisc Managed Splunk Enterprise License is designed to be managed by our members either on-premise or in their own cloud environment. Our Jisc Managed Splunk Enterprise License is available with pre-configured packages which focus on 5 key member security areas, such as securing your internet connection, securing your user accounts, controlling access to your data and services, protecting your institution from viruses and malware, and monitoring devices and software. Utilizing Splunk's real-time indexing architecture, we are able to ingest data from any human-readable data source with over 100 different methods of sending and receiving. This can give us a really good overview of how our web security is doing, such as monitoring the traffic flowing through the firewall, unexpected SMTP traffic, DNS traffic, or even SMB traffic, firewall login activity, as well as any change events, as well as just the security of the actual web requests that are going outbound. We can ingest data from one or multiple DCs to allow you to really get a better idea of how to secure your users and also control access to your data and services, such as reviewing account activity, such as users not changing their password in so many days, or even accounts with excessive admin privileges where they don't need them, or even anomalous logins such as account lockup activity or logins from a very strange location. By delving a bit deeper, we can also control the access to our data and services, such as reviewing anybody who has admin privileges has had a specific change done to their account, logons using an administrative account, or even just tracking install events to particular hosts or by particular users. Securing all of your architecture has never been easier by being able to ingest all of the human readable data into one centralized location and being able to search for malware and virus infections across hosts and even looking at multiple infections on each host. We can see where the entropy file paths are, or even if there are specific file names that are having more of an effect than others, or even having a look at the processes that this launches afterwards. This allows you to get a better understanding in the wake of a security breach, or it allows you to actually see one happening in real time and allow to stop it before it has any effect. Last but by no means least is your standard IT operations monitoring. As Splunk is licensed on the daily size of data that you would ingest within a 24-hour period, it allows you to utilize this data in multiple different ways. And so data that could be used for a security perspective can also be used for general IT monitoring of resources, services, and applications, such as monitoring host values, looking at failed updates and reasons, items found but weren't installed, updates in their current status, and also just capacity planning with CPU, memory, and network monitoring statistics. Thank you so much for joining today and learning more about the Jisc Managed Splunk Enterprise License. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a bespoke demonstration or scoping call, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with the details that are on screen now.